विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार नावेली साखळेचो विविधा ग्रूप आयतारा 9 ऑक्टोबराक विविधा दीस मनयतलो। झी फेम सारेगमपा कार्यावळ जातली।
पाळयेचे आदले आमदार सर्गेस्त गुरुदास गांवसान चालू केल्लो विविधा ग्रूप 9 ऑक्टोबराक विविधा दीस मनोवपाचो आसा। विविधा ग्रुपाचे सध्याचे चेअरमॅन पाळयेचे आमदार प्रताप गांवसान ह्या कार्यावळी विशीं माहिती दिली। ह्या वेळार विविधा सहकारी सोसायटीचे संचालक सुरेश गांवस आनी हेर मानेस्त आशिल्ले। सारेगमपा कार्यावळीचो लोकांनी लाव घेवचो अशें आमदार प्रताप गांवसान मागलां।
पूण हे लायव्ह पळोवचे आनी आमचे जे गोंयचे तरुण जी पिढी आसा तेंच्यांनी फुडें अशे बरे बरे कलाकार जावचे आनी तेंच्यांनी फुडें सरचे। हेका लागून आमी ह्यो विविधा ग्रुपान पयलीच फावट असो भरगच्च कार्यक्रम घेतलेलो आसा।
नावेली साखळीच्यान आमचो खबराकार उदय परब।
गोंयच्या तरणाट्या फुटबॉलरांक तयार करपा हेतान AFCचो कोच नॉर्मन बॉर्डमन सध्या गोंयांत आयला। हो ऑस्ट्रेलियन कोच गोंयच्या फुटबॉल कोचा वांगडा आपले अणभव शेअर करतलो। कोचा खातीर तो 7 दिसांची कार्यशाळा घेतलो। फुडल्या 50-60 वर्सांत वर्ल्ड कप जिखपाची मोख दवरून दूरदृश्टीन शिस्तबद्ध तयारी केल्यार भारताचो पंगड संवसारीक सर्तींत बऱ्यापैकी आव्हान दिवंक शकतलो अशें बॉर्डमन म्हणटा।
कितलीशीच दशकां जाली नॉर्मन बोर्डमन वेवसायीक फुटबॉल मळार प्रशिक्षक म्हूण काम करता। फुडल्या सप्तकभराच्यो ताच्यो कार्यावळी तांणी सांगल्यो।
It's divided into 3 sections. The first is coach education, which is vitally important for the future of the game. The second is a participation program for players, entry-level players, to come into the program and to get them ready for the participation, the performance section, which is the third section of our program. The performance program is aimed at players who are we would see as getting ready for the next level of football, which is senior football.
Okay. In Australia, the soccer generation, the soccer revolution came about, some time back, some decades back. That saw soccer become widely popular in Australia. And today, Australia is one of the most biggest powerhouses of soccer in Asia and even on the world scene, because Australia made it to the World Cup. Do you see such a revolution happening in India?
I think it's if you don't have a vision, then there is no future. You've got to have a vision, and Australia had a vision a lot of years ago, and we're still working on that, by the way. And it's got to start somewhere, and if it starts here in Goa and spreads to the rest of India, I think that's going to be positive for the game. Yes, I do think there will be a revolution.
भारतान वर्ल्ड कपांत पावन तो जिखपाक जाय जाल्यार तांणी जापानाचो फॉर्म्युला वापरचो अशें नॉर्मन म्हणटा।
Okay, we've got a program starting now which will infect the entire country of India within time. I'm confident of that. It's a change of, big change, but nothing happens without change. 80 years ago there was all, desert around, and now there's buildings, so we're moving forward. If I look forward, I can say win it or be in it.
Okay.
Win it or be in it.
But which World
Which
Cup
do you want to be in? Which one? Do you want to win it or be in it?
But which year do you feel will be there?
I think
8 years.
2070. I think that's
2070.
how much work has to go into it. I'm not being rude, and I hope you do it a lot earlier than that. But what I'm saying is that the culture has to change. And if I look at the model of Japan, 10 years ago, they said by 2050 they would win the World Cup.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळां खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार ओंकार फळारी।
आनी इतल्यान हें खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया। नमस्कार।